Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing I guess a Christmas Sephora haul because this is things that I purchased with gift cards for Christmas. My husband did give me one of my Christmas gifts early, so I have had this bag sitting here for a minute, and my mom also gave me money for Christmas. So of course, I went to my number one place to shop and I got some stuff at Sephora. So I would say that this haul is not going to be super new things. It's just more like things that I wanted to re-up on, things that I wanted to get that I have been eyeing for a while. If you are interested in what I got for myself from Sephora for Christmas, just keep on watching. You guys, when it comes to Christmas, I am about to be 35 years old. Believe me when I tell you, I had no Christmas list. I didn't tell anyone I want this or anything like that. And I was spoiled this year. I just felt the love. I felt supported by family because they know I've been in the gym for 5 months consistently, and I received gifts that I'm just so excited to go to the gym. I haven't been to the gym in like a week, so I'm feeling it. I need to go. But before I begin with the Sephora haul, I did get an Aura ring from my husband. So this was one of the gifts from him. So I have it on right now, and then when I tell you this is so amazing, it tracks everything. Like, it's tracking my cycle. It even tracks like your body temperature. So I saw how my body temperature dipped because I am about to be in those days of the month. It counts your active calories, it tracks your sleep. Like, I am literally obsessed with this, and my husband did so good because I've seen these rings but I've never really like done research on them or anything, so I'm just super grateful. And then he goes and he tells my mother-in-law that I needed some headphones. I guess they were asking what I wanted, and I never tell anyone what I want. Like, I always tell them like PJs and comfy things, you know, simple things like that. When I opened my gift from my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, they got me some new Beats headphones. When I go to the gym, I'm gonna be so excited because I was using my older AirPods. My AirPods were like the first AirPods that came out, and they were already like, I would charge them, give them a full charge, and they would die in an hour. So sometimes I would be finishing up my gym routine, and there is nothing worse than your AirPods dying. I can't work out without music. Music is like my pre-workout. If I don't have music, I will literally want to leave in like 15 minutes. So this is awesome. Now I can literally lift weights in peace. Super comfortable, and they're so loud. Definitely felt spoiled. So those two gifts were totally unexpected. So now let's get into the Sephora bag, and I found some good stuff, but I am going to start off with two cleansers that I picked up. I don't have no business buying any cleansers because I have received a good amount of cleansers in PR lately, but some of those cleansers look a little bit harsh. I did receive some things from Dermalogica that I want to try. They sent me their gel cleanser. I did get a reaction from the Dermalogica oatmeal little exfoliator that they have. I broke out really bad from that, so I'm kind of scared to try new cleansers, especially because we're in the middle of winter. It's so dry here, so I wanted to make sure that I had some cleansers that I know work for me. And then when I try those new cleansers, if for some reason I feel anything that's discomforting or anything like that, I go right to the ones that I picked up that I know work. So for after the gym, when I get home and I take a shower, I can't wash my face 2 times a day with like a very stripping face wash. That is the #1 way to dry my skin, mess up my skin barrier, irritate my skin. So I wanted something that was really light. This is the hydrating cream to milk cleanser from the Inky List. It's for all skin types, and it gently removes makeup and impurities. I'm not really going to use it to take makeup off. It's just a morning cleanse after the gym. So this is going to be my morning cleanser because I'm running out of my OC cleanser, which has been so good. I'm not sure if it's OC or Osea, but their ocean cleanser is amazing. Also picked up the Dew. This is the gentle foaming facial gel cleanser. I got the wrong one. I don't know if to keep it. I messed up and I got the fragranced one. Ugh. I had never tried the fragranced one. It's not, ooh, it kind of is. I don't know if to try it because the one that I use is the non-fragrance. If you guys use this, if you use the fragrance, let me know if you got any reactions from it. I'll do more research before I use it. That's what I get for going during the holidays. I went one day when they opened first thing in the morning, so it wasn't too bad, but it was still getting a little packed, and I definitely grabbed the wrong one. I also just picked up a Touchland Vanilla Blossom hand sanitizer. I ran out of this one and this was my favorite scent so far and I love to keep it in my purse. Next up, this was available in my store and I thought that I was not going to be able to get it because this was released and for some reason I totally like ignored it. And then I was like, wait a second, I want to try that because there's some shades in here that are really pretty. So this is the DANESSA MYRICKS Beauty Flushed Essentials Blush and Lip Kit. I used to have some of these blushes, but I got rid of them because they're probably expired at the point that I got rid of them. But these blushes are so good and they last all day long. I have a New Year's resolution and I'm going to share with you guys here, but I think I want to talk about it more in my vlog. I want 2026 to be the year of really connecting with you guys in a more helpful, educational way. I still am gonna do hauls. I'm still gonna talk about the new things. And in order to do that, I think that I need to, if I'm receiving a PR, it's fine because I'm not really buying it myself. But if I'm buying myself makeup for 2026, the goal is going to be, if it's available in a mini size, you're getting a mini size. Because I try so much new makeup that there's no reason for me to have so many full size products that I'm never gonna go through. But then I want to give you guys the reviews, my opinion. So I feel like mini sizes for me are perfect. So you see how these little blushes are mini sizes? I can probably go through them way quicker than if I had the huge blush of each shade. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I feel like this is a way where we can try more makeup while still getting our money's worth, because you get to try all these shades for, this was $45. How much does one of these blushes cost on its own? So that's kind of like my take on how I want to shop for makeup going forward. I feel like makeup companies should take that into consideration and make their makeup smaller. Not smaller as in packaging, but less makeup. Let's say you have a blush, do like half of that formula because we throw away so much makeup. We cannot finish it all. Like, it's so much makeup. So if you do less for less, we're paying less money for one product, we can try so many more of your products. At least we get our money's worth and we're not just letting money sit in our drawers, if that makes any sense. So that is kind of like my New Year's resolution. So seeing things like this is perfect for me. I'm very excited about these like darker shades. Ooh, I cannot wait to get into those. I picked up the Dead Cool Milk perfume. So it's in my collection. I have the full size. I went through this like water, that little set that I bought, but here is the full size of Milk and I love it so much. It's so refreshing. Cannot wait to see how this works for me here during summer. I hope it doesn't disappear into thin air, but I love this perfume so much. I also picked up some random products. Like, these products are pretty random. So this first one is another ordinary product, and this is the PHA 5% exfoliating lip serum. I was curious about this, but I'm kind of scared at the same time because I don't want to hurt my lips. But this is supposed to give you like really smooth lips and it's supposed to exfoliate them and prep them for, you know, makeup and all that. So I'm very excited to try this out. It's a glycerin-based lip exfoliator with 5% polyhydroxy acid, ectoin, and 1.5 alpha hydroxy acid. You're supposed to apply a thin layer onto clean, dry lips on alternate evenings as needed. Allow the product to dry. Apply lip balm as needed throughout the day. But I did see on TikTok so many people saying like, oh my god, my lips are so smooth. I love this. So I had to give it a try. I also picked this up. This is the Violette FR brand. I think I have one more product from them. And this is the Bisou blush. This is a matte cream blush and I got the shade Louise. And this is just like one of those pretty kind of beigey shades that I have been into in blush, where it looks like you have blush, but it looks more natural. So here is the packaging for this product here. It is a marbled blush, so there is like different shades throughout the blush. And I want to give it a quick swatch to see the shade because I have not tried this. Ooh, see, that's like a pretty like natural mauve-y shade and it's super blendable and it looks like it's pretty hydrating on the skin as well. I also picked up a lip combo. I just need to pick up the lip liner because they didn't have it in store that day. I saw someone do this lip combo on TikTok and it looked so beautiful. So they used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Midnight Rouge lip liner. That's what I need to pick up. And then they followed it up with Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet in Hush Rose. This is one of my favorite matte lip formulas. So when I saw the girl using this, I was like, okay, I have no problem getting that because I really like the other shades that I have of this. So this is just like a really pretty moussey pink shade. right there. Ooh, that looks really pretty with that blush too. So here is the lipstick, and then on top of that they added this milk lip gloss. This is the Milk Odyssey lip oil gloss, and I have a lot of them that Milk sent over, but I didn't have this specific shade. This one is called Wander, and it is also a really nice like milky pink, and I'm gonna put that next to it. So ooh, that's gonna be so, all those colors together look like they're going to be so beautiful in a look. So those two will go on top of each other with a really dark lip liner, and it just made her lips look so perfect. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna add that to cart. Then I picked up one of these Makeup by Mario Master Matte Longwear eyeshadows that they also sent me a bunch of shades in. I didn't have this one, and I feel like this one was necessary for just no makeup days. I just want like a skin color eyeshadow to blend over my lid, cover up some veins or some darkness that I might have that day. Or as an eyeshadow base, I think this would be really cool too, because these eyeshadows do not budge. So there is the shade for that one. I hope it doesn't end up looking too pale, but I almost always add a little bit of bronzer to my crease. So I think this is gonna be perfect for just quick makeup, but you want to cover up any imperfections in your lid area. And then last but not least, this is also inspired by someone that I saw on TikTok. This is by Fenty Beauty, and I have never tried one of these blushes. So this is the Fenty Cheeks Suede Powder Blush, and I picked it up in the shade Bacon Cakes. Here is the packaging for the blush. I'm gonna swatch it right here. The formula feels so buttery soft. The texture of these is very, very different. So that blush is right here. So that brings me to the end of this quick Sephora haul. Nothing new, just things that I wanted to pick up and play with, experiment, and just got to pick up as Christmas gifts. So that is always a lot of fun. So let me know what you got for Christmas or what you got yourself for Christmas. Looking forward to hearing from you in the comments section. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic. Manifested, I finessed it. Take my pen and write some love that has to happen.